Did you know that roofing mailers can be your secret weapon in reaching homeowners in need of roofing services? These mailers are especially effective after storms or when new homeowners are considering roof repairs. Direct mail can effectively target homeowners, ensuring your services are top of mind. Discover why roofing mailers are a crucial part of your marketing strategy, offering a direct line to potential clients. Understand the essential elements of a successful roofing mailer: clear messaging, eye-catching design, and a strong call to action. These components are key to capturing attention and driving engagement. Target specific neighborhoods to maximize engagement and conversion rates. Combining direct mail campaigns with digital marketing efforts like roofing SEO and email follow-ups can amplify your reach. Timing is everything. Discover the importance of sending mailers during peak roofing seasons or after severe weather events to capture homeowners' attention when they need it most. Use tools like county property searches to identify neighborhoods with aging homes or recent storm damage. Precision targeting ensures your mailers reach the right homeowners, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Explore how free editable roofing postcard templates in Canva can streamline your mailer creation process. These templates help maintain brand consistency while creating visually appealing postcards tailored to your needs. Partnering with Cinch Local provides resources to enhance your direct mail strategy. Utilize their templates to efficiently generate leads and elevate your marketing efforts without extensive design skills. Be sure to click the link in our description to get your free editable roofing postcard templates in Canva today.